Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use calculated fields in Looker Studio, step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and updated for 2026. If you ever wanted to create custom metrics instead of relying only on default data, calculated fields are exactly what you need. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, open an existing report or create a new one. Make sure your data source is already connected. Now click on any chart in your report. On the right side panel, look for Add a Metric or Add a Dimension, then click Create Field. This opens the Calculated Field Editor. This is where the magic happens. Give your calculated field a clear name, like conversion rate or average order value. In the formula box, you can write simple calculations using existing fields. For example, divide conversions by sessions to calculate conversion rate. Looker Studio shows errors instantly, so yeah, it helps you fix mistakes quickly. Once the formula is valid, click Save. Your new calculated field now behaves like a normal metric. You can use it in charts, tables, and scorecards, just like built-in fields. Let's take another example. You can create custom revenue metrics, profit calculations, or performance ratios. Calculated fields are great when you want insights that aren't available by default. You can also create calculated fields at the data source level. Go to Resource, then Manage Added Data Sources. Open your data source and create a field there. This makes the calculated field available across the entire report. Keep formulas simple, especially if you're a beginner. Test your calculated fields by adding them to tables first, then move them into charts once you're confident they work correctly. Before sharing your report, click View and double-check that the numbers look right. Small mistakes in formulas can change insights a lot. And that's how to use calculated fields in Looker Studio in 2026. Powerful, flexible, and incredibly useful. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.